Hey guys, my name is Alvin Alexa, and in today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to get yourself some online money using your phone, whether it's iOS or Android device. If that sounds interesting, though, let's hop into it. You all you need to do is to go to your app store if it's iOS, or to Play Store if it's an Android device just like mine. Then you need to go to the search bar and search for this app called app nana app nana. So you need to install this app. So I've already installed this app, no need to install it again. So you open this app. So there's no way you're gonna get rich, guys, if you're using this. There's no way you're gonna get rich. I repeat, no way you're gonna get rich. Guys, as you can see, my account is already logged in, and I've just withdrawn some cash area. I have 13,165 nanas now. I've just withdrawn some PayPal money. So as you can see, to get a PayPal $2 gift card, you can get it at 45,000 nanas. By getting nanas is as simple as eating cake, piece of cake. So all you've got to do is go to get nanas. You can see that you can watch videos and get nanas. You can follow this account on Instagram and get 200 nanas. You can play this game and get 3,000 nanas for those who really love gaming. And you can also complete surveys. If you go to more to offers, you can complete surveys by doing that. Simple surveys, questions asked and you answer. That's all. And you get nanas. You convert them into money. You can convert them into money, and you go to your Visa card or any electronic card you're using. So okay, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.